Hey, Gen X, I'm going to say 3 words, and if you instantly know what I'm talking about, you're officially old school. First word is rewind. Second word is static. Get it yet? Here's the one: busy. You're trying to call your friend, and all you hear is beep, beep, beep. A freaking busy signal. And here's the crazy part: we didn't have texting. So what did we do? What did we do? Be honest. When your friend was on the phone and you heard that busy signal, did you wait? Or did you keep calling back? Comment wait or call back. I want to see which one wins.